and this the remix. I deploy, then destroy, tackle it, Michael Vick. I'm too sick, and this is all getting for real. I need to see a doctor quick, cause my flows are getting ill. This mic I attack it, wrecking mics is a habit. I'll give it a drop kick or shoot it with some lasers or gadgets. I'm out of this world, out of space, ET, riding with the basket. And I'm on this Mike Houdini, causing all this magic. I'll leave it like a crash, wow this is tragic. Going through, switching lanes like I'm rolling in traffic. I'm causing havoc, and you know I don't gotta go and mask it. Tired of all these fake rappers, it's like they made out of plastic. But I'll always stay hard until I'm laying in that casket. So I turn it up loud like I'm speakers, gotta max it. My money like cake and I'm running like the fat kid. Yeah, money's what I crave and I don't have no time to play. I wreck all mics and I do it so easily. I come quick and swift and I do it so peacefully, just creeping. You didn't know I was there, but now you know Manny G. So you better beware, cause you're in my beat net. Who even said I played fair? So don't try and murder me, cause you lose so badly. Wow, so embarrassing. Like I said, now you just heard of me.
Tyler on this mic, yeah, it's time to reveal all these words in my head that's been up there concealed. Yeah, it's time to kneel down to the king, cause you don't wanna feel the pain that I'm gonna bring. It's gonna sting, hit you like a freight train, cause it's like fire that I'm about to rain. I'm untamed, like a hungry wildebeest, about to pounce up on this mic, getting ready to feast. What's coming down this road? This long road to glory, who knows? I might have a new page in my life story. It ain't boring, it's been thrilling from the start. I've been through some hard times, my life's a work of art that can't be torn apart, it can't get taken away, cause I'm the best in my eyes. So listen to what I say, I don't play. No, I don't mess around, but I'll be around, cause I'm keeping my crown. I wreck all mics and I do it so easily. I come quick and swift and I do it so peacefully, just creeping. You didn't know I was there, but now you know Tyler, so you better beware, cause your head might be in there. Who even said I played fair? So don't try and murder me, cause you'll lose so badly. Wow, so embarrassing. Like I said, now you just heard of me.
Yeah, it's time to go and see what's new. I leave these people running from me, scared like I'm Pepe Le Pew. You can't do what I do, cause it's always a mystery. I'm in the future, and all of you are just history. You all are just shit to me, I'm passing you so you can't see me. Gotta go hard until I'm barely breathing, to open and try and devour what I'm feeding. I'm always gonna bomb these kids hooked on the phonics.
I'm like a soldier in combat, calculating the rage. I pull the trigger on this mic and blow away the rap game. Everything sounds the same, and these rappers are to blame. Now it's time for me and Manny G to put out a name. Dang, bang, is what we will do, cause me and Manny G, we're an army of two, so bring your whole crew. But you better beware, because me and Manny G, we're always prepared.
I wreck all mics and I do it so easily. I come quick and swift and I do it so peacefully, just creeping. You didn't know I was there, but now you know Manny G. So you better beware, cause you're in my beat net. Who even said I played fair? So don't try and murder me, cause you lose so badly. Wow, so embarrassing. Like I said, now you just heard of me.